Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there so you don't miss any future updates. And